Right guys, we're back with another one. We're just here opposite the demolition site, the courts. And what we're going to do in this video is we're just having a look here, and then we're going to make our way to town. So we're just currently on Chapel Street. So you can't really see through because of the blue netting. So we'll carry on down here. Let's bring that camera down a bit. Hope you're all well guys, looking after yourselves. Say they've got the blue netting right up to the gates now. Guys, we'll carry on. Like I say, it was just a quick look. It's a bit windy today, but it's a nice day. We'll make our way down to Central Drive now. Yes, we'll see how busy it is. Let's have a look round the back here. Now the joke shop's gone. See, they fenced this off as well. Coming up to Central Drive. Yeah, it's coming up to 12:30 as well. See the bag shop still going. I thought she'd closed down her. Been there a good few years, her. They must be getting ready to refurbish these apartments. You can't really see in. I know they weren't part of the demolition. I think they're being all refurbed. Where the joke shop used to be. Anyway, we'll carry on. View of the tower. Quite a few cars in the car park. And Old Bonnie Street, they've blocked that off now. Shortly ready for pulling the police station down. This wind's going on, I'll be popping back getting the mic, I think. Oh, it's busy around here, folks. What we'll do is we'll walk up Albert Road. Without getting squashed. make our way to Coronation Street. Yeah, like I've said in previous videos, we're going to start looking at other areas on the channel this year. I mean, we'll always cover Blackpool, no two ways about that, we will. But we're going to look at other areas as well. Anyway guys, don't forget to like and subscribe because it's free. All you're doing is supporting the channel. There's a hell of a lot of Blackpool to come this year. So if you like the videos in Blackpool, don't forget to hit subscribe. Because there's a lot to come this year. All the events are coming up. Like I said, we are going to look at other areas as well, other towns. So I'm going to end the video here guys, because you don't like long videos. And we'll do a separate video around town. So we're just here on Coronation Street. Take care of yourselves. Look after yourselves, don't forget to wrap up. The weather reckons we're going to have a week of nice weather, then it's going to go back to bad weather. Hopefully not, but we'll have to wait and see. And I'll catch you in the next video guys, so bye for now.